How to calculate modulo. In this video, we'll show you how to calculate the modulo of one number to another. For this example, we will calculate 2 mod 5. As a quick reminder, modulo is the math operation of finding the remainder when you divide two numbers together. If you were asking, what is 2 mod 5? Then what you really need to know is, what is the remainder when I divide 2 by 5? The first number, 2, is called the dividend. The second number, 5, is called the divisor. Step 1. Divide the dividend by the divisor. 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4. Step 2. Take the quotient, the whole part, and multiply it by the divisor. 0 times 5 equals 0. Step 3. Take the answer from step 2 and subtract it from the dividend. 2 minus 0 equals 2. The final answer to 2 mod 5 is 2. Try this for yourself with two new numbers, and see if you can use modulo to calculate the remainder.